thinking of investing in property, now is the time to do it. Keep watching this video until the end. You must be thinking, what are raising interest rates? When the Federal Reserve raises the interest rates, that means borrowing costs are going up for everybody. But for real estate investors, this is actually a good news. Here's why. When interest rates goes up, it pushes property prices down. And that's great news for investors because it means they can buy properties at a lower price and still make a profit. So if you're thinking of investing in real estate, now is definitely the time to do it. The only question is, are you ready to take advantage of these rising interest rates? You may be wondering how rising interest rates are great for real estate investors. Aren't higher interest rates bad news for the housing markets? Actually, the opposite is true.